everyone, this is Rebecca from the Assistive Technology Center at Little Tennessee Valley Educational Cooperative, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how you can use a sequencer like this one from Adaptivation in order to help a nonverbal child participate in reading a book with all the other kids. This is a very well-loved copy of Brown Bear, What Do You See? And we even have these little Velcro coins on the pages to use as page fluffers to make the pages easier to turn. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a
red bird
looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a
yellow duck
looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a
blue horse
looking at me. And if the child is not able to push this button, there is a switch input on the side, so you can use any kind of switch that you need to use in order for the child to participate. Thank you very much.